Hey, welcome back to the Marketing Ninja podcast, where Manuel shares his business, marketing, and branding strategies he's used to build 7 to 8-figure businesses. All right, let's enjoy the show.
I want to talk about something that you guys have not heard about, all right? I'm just kidding. You guys have all heard about it because everybody's talking about it, and it's taking the world by storm, and it's called ChatGPT. And the platform is free. I think it's time for me to teach you about it and also to give you some of my ideas on how to leverage it and how to use it, because it is ridiculous. Here's my opinion on the platform. It's not going to replace humans. It's not going to. It's going to make humans more efficient, all right? That's the way I feel about this platform. The idea is not to stop working. The idea is to be able to be more efficient in our workflows and to have more production in general. We can do more with less. This technology, this artificial intelligence is being rolled out, and the future of this planet, and when it comes to technology, it's just getting started. I'm gonna give you guys some examples so you get to understand, because you gotta know what to communicate. Here's where the human element comes in. The platform is limited by your ability to communicate with it. You gotta ask the questions. You gotta request things from it for it to actually give you the value that you can get from it. It's pretty insane. Some of you guys have to sit down and think about like, okay, how should I promote this? And start from scratch. Instead, you use something like this to get your juices flowing, to get your mind moving forward at a faster pace. So again, it's about optimization of time. If you can become 10 times more efficient, we can produce a lot more. We can get a lot more results. We can generate a lot more growth for the organization, because humans, which I still need and want, are going to become more valuable. And that's the idea. This is applicable to all departments and all areas across the board. You can start thinking about, after I show you guys the examples, start thinking about how you can actually incorporate it as part of your job and start leveraging it. They're already surveying people, trying to find out what is a cost that will keep them on the platform. This is going to be a massive business, and because it is that valuable, there are some limitations. They're working on them, so they're only going to get better with time. Some massive upgrades are going to take this potential to that potential, just like that. You're going to start seeing technology being rolled out that is being coded and programmed by these guys, by programmers that spend 12 hours in a day creating one particular set of codes, are going to be able to do it in 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So imagine how the technology is going to now accelerate at a much faster pace. Just like, for example, to be honest, COVID accelerated the internet, and instead of becoming massive in the next decade, it became massive in 2 years with COVID. Like brands like Natural Slim, we exploded during COVID because everybody transitioned over to the internet and to social media. This is going to happen with artificial intelligence like this. It's going to accelerate the development of technology at scale, but we are going to use it as a marketing company. And anybody that's watching this piece of content, as a brand builder, as a marketer that you are, as a business individual and entrepreneur, you got to figure out how to use this to get things moving faster for yourself.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.